and today I'm going to be showing you from the thumbnail how to make a bunch of basically lightning and that goes like every tick or so. So first what you want to do is gonna get some observers. Now this is actually possible in survival mode, which I think is really cool. Okay, you're gonna want to do the classic observers like that. Put a piston like that. No, you don't need a slime block. Lightning rod, and you'll see that'll go up and down. Now, if you're advanced and you wanna you don't need. If you then throw your tridents. Okay. Oh wait, I know. So it doesn't work like that. I say the easiest way to do it is shoot your trident in like this. And as you'll see, every time, seriously. Okay, I'm gonna make it thunderstorm after this. Oh, great. Okay, so it is a bit glitchy, but if I make it thundering and we do like it's worked before, why is it not working now? Anyways, if you really don't want it to go wrong, I think I know the solution. I think. Now's not the time to strike lightning. You're gonna strike a bajillion times later. I think if you put, like, why am I making them so high? Tridents can't go that high. There we go. Just seems to go.